100 years ago, the falls were located 11 kilometers downriver from its current location. Erosion was a major issue associated with the Canadian Falls. The average rate of erosion for Niagara Falls was as much as 1 meter per year until the early 1950s. Since then, the water diversion channels and canals used for generating electricity have decreased the water flow, reducing the erosion of Niagara Falls, and to this day, Niagara Falls remains a clean and significant source of hydroelectric power. There are over 500 waterfalls in the world taller, but Niagara Falls is the biggest waterfall in the world with volume of water flowing at an average of 750,000 gallons per second. Niagara Falls' interesting facts include the white foam floating on the water is dissolved limestone and is created naturally due to the massive erosion forces of falling water. The height of the Canadian Falls is 170 feet, or 52 meters. The estimated crest is 2,200 feet, or 670 meters wide, and the depth of the river at the base of the falls is 184 feet, or 56 meters deep. Witness the awesome natural beauty and power of Niagara Falls.
Oh wow. आप ये होल्ड करने का अरे होल्ड इट टाइट ओह oh my god अरे नहीं होल्ड इट टाइट अरे होल्ड टाइट Oh my god. अरे दोनों हाथों से पकड़ लो